Hello guys, welcome back to our end-to-end tutorials in which we're learning how to build AI agents and workflow automations. In the previous video, we just finished crafting an email that needs to be sent to the billing team. Further on, we have to go to our workflow and put all the pieces together. So for example, we would need subject to an email that needs to be composed within the email itself. So here we are just putting the pieces together to make the email as a whole. So what we're doing is we're creating or generating the subject in email from the AI node itself, but the two will be static. It will be static, like in the form of billing@example.com, and it's not going to change every single time because we need to send it to the billing team only and not any other. So this stays the same. This is gonna be added in this node itself, but the rest two details are gonna come from the AI node, that is subject and email. Okay, now that we're clear with the conceptual part, let's go on to our NNN workflow and add a Gmail node. We need to send a message, so this is gonna be send email, and we have to drag and drop again. So content would go into, but it does not exactly work like this because if we drag and drop this whole content variable, this this text will be gone for the two parameter, and we would be left with no subject. So what we need to do is we rather want the content to go in a message form, and we want to have the email address of the person or the team that we want to send to. So we have to go back to the craft email and toggle this option of output content as JSON. So once we toggle this on, so once you toggle this on, every single detail would be sent in the form of JSON. Let's execute the step. Yep. So now you can see the difference in the formatting and the details. Like in the content, we have subject as a separate JSON entity, the email as a separate entity. So this way we can easily drag and drop the subject into the subject parameter, the email into the message, and two will be, of course, something that's already static. And the two parameter will be containing the email address that we want to send to. So for example, it will have billing@example.com, and the email type would be text, of course. Now if you send the message and execute the step, let's see what's there in our inbox. So yeah, a message was sent. Here you can see, dear billing team, we have received a new invoice with the following details. So we have all the details over here. But since that email is fake, it's just a dummy email. This one is just a fake email, and we can keep it fixed though, because it does not change every time. So just because this is not a real email, it is not sent to that email, but we can, in fact, get this email in our sent emails, and we can see it over here. And yeah, that's how it works. If this email was real, it would have been sent to this email. But yeah, So this is how we successfully sent the email. One item sent. Now, hope you understood how we can go through this process and send an email successfully. Now let's meet in the next video. Till then, happy learning and stay tuned.